So we parked up just here last night and it was absolutely perfect, so quiet and so silent. And I've just noticed that one of their cats has jumped in the van. Let's go and see. I think a cat's in here. Hello, little cat. Yeah, basically that is one of the most inspirational places I've ever seen. Like what they've done with the land, and to see before and after photos, they've done an incredibly amazing job. And I think me and B are gonna have to do something like that one day. So good. But yeah, we're just heading off now for a little trip. They're gonna show us this mountain nearby, so maybe some more drone footage on the way. Super nice hike up to the top.
Yeah.
Scariest flying the drone up there though, so much wind. And now we're going to head back to the coast. So yeah, get some lunch and then keep driving.
Yeah, I'm surprisingly hungry. Mind you, it is 10 to 12.
Really hungry.
Down the mountain we go.
B's been driving us for like the last 4 hours on the motorway, and now I've taken over and going to do the little A road along the coast, and we're going to find somewhere. It's going to get dark before we find out where we're going to stay, but I don't know, it'll be exciting in the morning when we hopefully somewhere nice, hopefully not on some random person's land. Now we'll be by a beach somewhere, and yeah, it's always nice kind of pulling up in the dark and then in the morning finding out that you're in a beautiful place. So that's about it for today. Looking forward to seeing what B's got in store for food. Pretty hungry. Apparently she's gonna make the pucker dinner tonight.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, I like noodles. Beautiful sunset, had to pull over and get that real nice bush sunset shot. Oh.
can see the moon straight through the hatch. We've been driving all day. We left Central Portugal, now we're back on the coast again. It's so nice driving on the roads here, super clear. And now we've actually come back to a beach that we stayed at before because we tried a few different ones in the dark and either there wasn't a beach there that we could get to or you couldn't park there, and we wanted to respect Portugal and park where the other vans are parked rather than park where it says not to. So we came back to Praia de Bordeiro, I think it is. It's lovely, so we'll spend the night here, spend the day here, and just have a chill out day tomorrow because we drove for a long time today, but that's nothing new, we don't mind driving. Road trips are the best trips.
And also it's so good to see Nick.
Yeah,
and
it was
Emily.
really, really worth it going inland for that journey, just to meet up with Nick and Emily and see where they live and what they've been up to, because it's amazing. So amazing.
Super inspiring.
And they're just such a lovely couple, and they've got the cutest kid, and their dogs are really lovely, and their cat, they've got a ginger cat just like us, so felt like being at home.
So you're ending the vlog there?
Yeah, I think it's time for dinner and to just chill out.